Econito here. I am at South Beach State Park Campground near Newport, Oregon. And so this is a government-run campground. I have a electrical management system installed, and this is the first time I can remember that it has gone in effect to save my power system, because there is 133 volts coming in, and the PE means error number 3, and that means line high voltage. So just having breakers is not going to be enough. You really need an electric management system. This one has a display. It has also a bypass switch, which I'm not going to use. And the actual EMS box is back there. So the 120 volt coming in goes through that box first and reads out there and displays what the error is. Here I have a 24 volt Tesla battery that the shore power is capable of charging by way of this iCharger. And see, it just tripped off because it went below 133 volts. Now it's at error number 0. So it looks like the threshold is about 133. And so what that does is prevents damage to my system, to the charger that I was using. See how it just came back on? I have it programmed for 24 volt charging through this power supply, the 115 volt. This sounds kind of complicated, and the reason why I have all these components is because I live in this full time and I wanted the best. And so this Tesla battery module is the main concern to prevent it from overcharging and any problems. So that's how that works. I'm glad that it went from 133 to 132, so you can see what the threshold is. The electric management system doesn't like anything above 132 volts, or it will serve as a relay to shut off the shore power. So there's a pedestal outside. I'll put this on pause and show you. All right, so here we continue the state park power pedestal. I have a 30 amp service connection, and it was allowing 133 amps. It's pretty dark right there, but that's the plug-in to the camper van. This is also the first one in the world that has a electric vehicle charge input that I'm obviously not using at a campground. It's pretty kind of too dark to see it. It's just right of the plug-in. I have another video about that. Put it on pause. So what we had going on there